In this video, let's go straight to the point. We can see I want to reset this my phone, but still it asks me for a pin code or password before to reset it. So let it fix it for free. We are not going to use any pet tool. We are going to use free tool. Okay. Before you start this process, hit on the subscribe button so when we upload new video you can get notification. I'm going to show you two tools. If one no don't work, one will work. Okay, so watch the full video so you can reset your phone successful. And also don't forget, after reset your phone you are going to lose all data. You are going to lose all your files, your pictures, your everything on the phone, because the phone going to reset back to factory and how it is made from factory. So make sure you back up all your file before you do this process. The number one tool that we are going to use, the tool name I'm going to place it in the video, but it is ST. We are going to use number one tool is STMTK Universal tool. MTSTK Universal tool. They have 2.0 and they have 3.0, but if you try the 2.0 and it is not work, you can try the 3.0 too. If you try the 2.0 and it's not work, you can try the 3.0 too. And they even have 1.1.1.3. So you try all of them. Try all of you can get all of them in on your computer, so you can try all of them, see which one going to be work. And here click on the start but click on the Windows button, so that we are going to deactivate your antivirus. We are going to turn off your the antivirus, but click on settings. But don't worry, after perform everything, we are going to on the antivirus back again. After click on settings, scroll it down and click on there. After click on there, it's going to open, give you different page, and click on Windows security. After click on Windows security, scroll it down. No, click on the first one. Click on the first one. After click on the first one, you need to scroll it down. After scroll it down, click there. After click there, now turn it off. After turn it off, we are going to launch the tool. After turn it off, just simple click on yes, and after turn it off, we are going to launch the tool. Now I've launched my tool already, so all you need to do is to extract your tool, or double click on your tool and double click on the file. You see, just simple click on there. After click on there, it's going to load. It won't take more than 30 seconds to load. Okay, so you can see this one is v2.0, but if v2.0 does not work for you, you can use 3.0. Make sure you install all the drivers. I have installed all the drivers already, so I don't need to install them. So install all the drivers below over there. After install all the drivers, click on there. Click on format. After click on format data, click on start. After click on start, hold till your phone, the screen will give you instruction, and follow that instruction. The screen will give you instruction, and you can see, but make sure that your phone is charged over 50%. If your phone not charged yet, please charge your phone to over 50% before perform this method. We need to press and hold on volume up and down and connect cable. If you try volume up and down and connect cable and it did not work, you can also try volume, press and hold on volume up only and connect cable. If still not work, pressing on hold on volume down only and connect cable, but most of it work for press and hold on the both volume, volume down and volume up to and connect cable. You can see we have tried the first method. So if the two finish to read your phone, that means your phone is 100% flash. Okay, now let's go to the method 2. If the method 1 not work for you, let's go to the method 2. And also I made main video about this particular issue, so you can check the link below the description. Either we have that either or any of them will work for you. So you can see I'm try power volume up plus connect charger at the same time. This is the method 2 that I'm trying. You can see it. I'm press power, I'm press up volume and connect cable at the same time. This is the method 2. So this is the second tool that we are going to use. Is also free to just simple search BFT2. BFT2. I think many people know about this tool, one of best free tools in the system, but how do you call it? You have to know how to use it. That's the problem that many people face. You have to know how to use the BFT2. Okay, scroll it down and get it from one of those page. Scroll it down and get it in from the one of those page. I have it installed on my PC already, so you know it. I don't need to download it again. So I'm going to launch the tool. After launch the tool, get patient. If the tool fail to launch, or if it tell you that they check your network, or it give you any error, close the tool and reopen it again. And just click on login, close the tool and reopen it again. In case it give you any error, close the tool and reopen it again. If you close the tool and reopen it like 3 to 4 times and still it give you the same error, please check your internet. Number 1, check your internet. If you check your internet and everything is okay, number 2, then reboot your PC and turn your antivirus off, your antivirus again, and on your phone again. This one we are going to put the phone to recovery mode by press and hold on the volume down, power. Some phone use power button plus volume down, and some phone use up volume plus power. So press and hold on the or down volume plus power button at the same time. If it is not come, press and hold on the up volume plus power button at the same time and select your language. Me, I use English, so I select English and click on service. You can see when you open the tool, is automatical on MTK. So if your chipset is not MTK, search for a chipset and select your chipset over there at the top there, because the phone that I'm using is MTK. That's why I select MTK. So if your chipset is not MTK, please select your chipset over there at the top there. Okay. After select the chipset, put it in recovery mode and connect cable. After connect cable, you can see there is a VER 1.2 boot. Tap there several times. You need to tap there several times till if your phone asks you to allow it on the screen. If your phone asks you to allow it on the screen. That's how it works. If your phone asks you to allow it on the screen, so it can flash your phone. But don't forget that when you after flash your phone, you are going to lose all data. So please again, make sure you back up all your file before you perform this method. And also, if this method not work for you, hit on the subscribe button. We are going to bring you more methods. We are going to bring you about more. We are going to bring you more methods, so don't worry. Just simple click on the subscribe button and enable the notification bell, so when we upload new video you can get notification. And let's give it trial again. You can also press and hold on the up volume. It depends on the instruction that. Okay, so this how it works. So let us know in the comment if this work for you or not. If it's not work for you, maybe you have used any advanced tool and it work for you, mention the tool name below the description. Okay, mention the tool name below the description, so others too can try. Okay, and let's see you in my next video. And don't forget to hit on the subscribe button again. See you in my next video again.